Judge Wright came by here the other day and met with me, and we talked about the hour of code. That is something that some of you have heard about, but we haven't really been active here at our school. So this year we are going to be active with it here at our school. I'm setting up the accounts, and then I'm going to have y'all go in and log in your students, and then they can't start until December 5th through 11th. And this is going to be a really neat technology thing that we can do. The whole county is a guinea pig. They're signed up with the state of Alabama. Our system was picked to be a test group for them to collect data on. That data will be used here locally in our county. It'll be used at our State Department, and then they're actually going to look at it on a national level because this will be used in the United States. So we want to really gear our kids up and make sure that come December 5th they are prepared to do something exciting. They're going to get to program, they're going to get to use different platforms that they're familiar with, like Minecraft and that sort of thing, but it's all going to be in an educational type way. So I'm going to go ahead and send y'all an email so you can start showing it to your students and get them really excited about it. And then during that week, that's going to be a big window of, hey, let's see who can log the most hour of code. I can even do a popcorn party for the class that gets the most logged hours, and I'll be able to see and tally, and it'll show me which students do which. So what you're going to do first is you're going to make sure you start talking to your kids now, especially when we come back. We'll have 1 week when we come back from Thanksgiving to really amp them up. If you have any problems getting your kids in by that Monday or Tuesday, let me know and I can do it for you or help you with it. So let's go and look at the website of what it's going to look like when you log your students in. Alright, so when you first open up the website, and the link will be included in the email I send you, code.org is all it is. You're going to go and you're going to click on sign in. Then you're going to enter your school, your work email, because that's how we have a group to collect our data. And then you're going to enter in a password that you choose. Mine's already in there, so I'm going to click sign in. When it comes up, you're going to see this information here about announcements and that sort of thing. What you're going to do is scroll down to student accounts in progress. Alright, so we've already decided here, based on our school makeup and the type of students that we have, that it will be best for them to use a picture, password, and they will all be umbrellaed under your email accounts. They will not have to have their own student individual email and set up their own account. We'll go ahead and have that set for them. And I can help you print off the information for those. Alright, so you're going to click on New Section because each one of your classes will be considered a section under our county. Alright, so we already know we're going to have our login type. We're going to choose Picture. You're going to choose your grade level. I want you to choose the lowest grade level that you have for your makeup of students. Some of our students are 3 through 5th, 1st and 2nd, 7 and 8. So you're going to pick the lowest. So say for instance, your homeroom, we'll click on 7. Alright, and then for course, here's the one where it's a little tricky because we're collecting data on the ability level of our students, and we don't have kindergarten here, the lower ability levels. We're going to start everyone at course 2, and then they will be able to progress and advance, and that data will be collected. And then you can click on save and go ahead and set it up, and then let me know when you get this far on it, and we will go in and we will start doing the managed students, because ours is going to be set up a little different because we don't want our students' information crossing over with their base schools. So once you get this set up and you play around with it and you look at it, you can check with me or you can go ahead and do add student. Simply, all you have to do is do first name, last initial, or you can do first name, last name by what they go by, age, gender, and click save. And it's going to give you a place after that. For time's sake, let me know where you get stuck or where you make it through there, and at the end, I will help you print off, and we'll take and make little cards for those students that you can paperclip or rubber band together to have for them to be able to access this. But most importantly, the first step is to go in, play around with it. If you can make it as far as getting your students' names, there's been a couple glitches, but they've worked most of those out. Start adding your students, make sure you pick what for a password. Ms. Grimes, are we gonna do picture or are we gonna do word? Picture password, awesome. If you click that, it will make the process so much easier because it's gonna be a whole lot less information that you have to put in. All right, do I have any questions? Awesome. Let me know where you